Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to master the German accent when pronouncing German words. You can visit our page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, transcripts, podcasts, early access to our videos, and more. So let's begin. Wortakzent. It's very important to learn the word accent when you're learning a language. But how is the word accent in German highlighted? The vowel in the emphasized syllable is spoken louder, longer, more precise, and with some melody. Let's look at a few examples. Montag. You can repeat the words after me. Mittwoch, Freitag, Woche. The dots that you can see under some letters mean a short vowel, whereas an underline means a longer vowel. You can listen to the words once again to make out the difference. Montag, Mittwoch, Freitag, Woche. Now, it is also possible that a single word has more than one vowel. How do we know which vowel is to be emphasized? Here are some rules you should know. Mostly, the stem syllable is emphasized. Here we have a lot of examples. Let's first look at some simple words. Einfache Wörter. Kuchen, Arbeit, Wasser, Kinder, Reisende. Once again, Kuchen, Arbeit, Wasser, Kinder, Reisende. Do remember, the underline means the vowel is longer, whereas the dot means it's shorter. Now let's look at some simple verbs. Einfache Verben. Reisen, kochen, spielen, machen, lesen. Once again, reisen, kochen, spielen, machen, lesen. Whether these verbs are regular or irregular, the accent will always be on the stem, even when these verbs are conjugated. Let's look at them. Reise, kochst, spielt, machst, liest. Once again, Reise, kochst, spielt, machst, liest. Even in the past form, the accent is on the stem. Gereist, gekocht, gespielt, gemacht, gelesen. Once again, gereist, gekocht, gespielt, gemacht, gelesen. The next category of words are those that begin with un or ur. These prefixes are always emphasized. Urlaub, ungefähr, ungern, uralt, unabhängig. Once again, Urlaub, ungefähr, ungern, uralt, unabhängig. When we talk about non-separable verbs, nicht trennbare Verben, the accent lies on the stem of the verb that follows after the prefix. Bearbeiten, erklären, gehören, verkaufen, zerbrechen. Once again, bearbeiten, erklären, gehören, verkaufen, zerbrechen. Even the nouns derived from the non-separable verbs follow the same rule. Erklärung, Erfahrung, Entlassung, Verkauf, Empfang. Once again, Erklärung, Erfahrung, Entlassung, Verkauf, Empfang. However, when we look at separable verbs, trennbare Verben, the accent is on the prefix and not on the verb stem. Ankommen, zunehmen, mitfahren, aufstehen, vorlesen. Once again, ankommen, zunehmen, mitfahren, aufstehen, vorlesen. The nouns derived from separable verbs follow the same rule. Ankunft, Zunahme, Vorlesung, Aufgang, Abfahrt. Once again, Ankunft, Zunahme, Vorlesung, Aufgang, Abfahrt. There are some verbs or some prefixes which are both separable and non-separable. Their word accent tells you whether they should be separated or not. For example, umfahren, einen Stau umfahren. Oder einen Baum umfahren. We just learned when the accent is on the verb stem, then the verb is not separable, whereas when the accent is on the prefix, then it's separable. Let us now look at compound nouns, compositor. In such words, the word accent is on the first word. Here are some examples. Wochenende, Parkplatz, Arbeitstisch, Spielplatz, Wortakzent. Once again, Wochenende, Parkplatz, Arbeitstisch, Spielplatz, Wortakzent. In international words that end in either a long vowel or several consonants, the accent is on the last syllable. For example, Biologie, Information, National, Identität, Prozess. Once again, Biologie, Information, National, Identität, Prozess. Abbreviations, Abkürzungen, have accent on the last letter. ABC, www, WC, EDV. Some suffixes are always emphasized. Spezifische Endungen. Telefonieren, Polizei, Tourismus, Information. Once again, telefonieren, Polizei, Tourismus, Information. So when you learn a new word, mark the accent syllable and pronounce the word with the right emphasis. In case of doubt, a dictionary helps. Now, try to read these using the correct accent. Mitarbeiter, Taschenbuch, singen, Bäckerei, informieren, unschön, Fernsehen, Flasche. Great! If you want to practice what you have learned today, you can download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron and to our podcasts by becoming a $5 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!